Hello, tutor and classmates. This is my presentation to the Competitive Technology Intelligence, a basic tool for the technology management. I am Andres Felipe Acevedo Serna, and let's start this presentation. The purpose: to understand the importance of the technological intelligence as a tool applied to the technological management process of organizations that continuously seek to obtain greater competitiveness, high income, and market transformation through the use of external information and technologies as the main source of innovation. This is very important uh, to study this matter. Development. Competitive Technological Intelligence (CTAs) is a useful management tool for managers of organizations seeking to develop innovative strategies for their products, service, and process through knowledge of external scientific and technological development that are increasingly available from various sources. Each take as a source of information such as databases, patents, and technological information. Internet is very important, the internet, which using technology analyzes then to extract the information of interest. The CTA allows companies to focus their research and development efforts to construction of effective state-of-the-art comparative evaluations, definition of strategies for the protection of intellectual property, among other advantages. All the advantages provided by access to information must be properly analyzed and developed by organizations to achieve efficient innovation results. The CTA provides a comprehensive methodology that collects, analyzes information, and allows defining strategies for good decision making. Okay? This tool basically analyzes competitors and the market, allowing organizations to have a clear picture to define the most winning innovation strategies. Methodologically, the CTI is developed in three logical steps that integrate the relevant aspect of this conceptation. Take the available data and develop it at business intelligence. It requires the permanent participation of all the company's and players, signs at relevant information boils in the innovative dynamics. Okay, this is all idea for this method. The conclusion for this method, competitive technological intelligence (CTAs) is undoubtedly a management tool of great relevance for organizations because it's allowed to take and available data from different information sources and transformation and transform it into valuable knowledge that help to enhance information process, develop effective strategies, and create among employers that awareness of innovation and technological development as a mechanism for continuous improvement. And for last topic, this is the reference. This information is study from Solero and Castañón, Gestión Tecnológica, Conceptos y Prácticas, Plaza y Valdez editorial. This is the web link to we go access this information. Thank you everybody and good night.